Hello everyone, my name is Jurgita from Lux J Cakes, and today I'm going to show you how to make mermaid themed cupcakes. I'm using various molds to create my cupcake toppers, and all I do is just dust them with the cornstarch, and then I push in my fondant into them and I remove the excess fondant with a sharp blade. You can do any fondant you like, any color. Later on, when I prepared all my toppers, I dusted them using edible luster dust and tints to give them some color and movement. I let these mermaid tail toppers to set and dry overnight so that they would be firm to add on my cupcakes. If you want to speed up the process of drying, you can put your cake toppers to the oven on the lowest heat setting and dry them there for 10-15 minutes, and then take them out of the oven and let them cool completely. The small toppers dry faster and quicker, so basically you don't even need to dry them in the oven. They will dry as you make them. I have various molds that I purchased on Amazon that I'm using to create these toppers. I have baked my cupcakes and I let them chill and cool completely before adding my Swiss meringue buttercream on top of them. I have colored my buttercream in light blue using edible food colors, and I'm using a simple round tip to pipe my Swiss meringue buttercream on top of the cupcake. Then I place the cupcake upside down into my sprinkles that are matching mermaid theme. You can use any sprinkles you like. I just found these very nice looking. And here you see my toppers completely dry, and I have dusted them with edible tints and luster dust, and I am placing them randomly on top of my cupcakes. It was a little bit tricky to place them on top because I had way too many sprinkles on top of my Swiss meringue buttercream, so what I did, I just pushed them in quite firmly. I will include the recipe for these cupcakes in the description box below. And as well, I will include the link to my Swiss meringue buttercream recipe that I use for the majority of cakes and cupcakes I make. And there you have it, your mermaid themed cupcakes are ready to go. Thank you for watching.